students, welcome back to my channel. First we'll do the revision of the previous lecture. What we had discussed in that video, we have learned 6 important formulas related to derivatives, if you remember. So we have covered how to find out the derivatives of x raised to n, how to find out the derivatives of the constant function, what is the derivatives of x with respect to x, or what is the derivatives of y with respect to y, which is nothing but equal to 1, if you remember. In today's lecture, we are going to learn 8 new standard formulas related to the derivatives. So at this stage, you have to remember total 14 standard formulas. Okay, so let's begin with the first formula. What is given if you need to calculate derivatives of tan x with respect to x, which is always equal to sec square x. Okay, similarly, if you need to calculate the derivatives of sec x, then how you are going to find out that? By this formula, sec x into tan x. The third derivatives is cosec x. Derivatives of cosec x with respect to x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Okay, the derivatives of cot x is given by minus cosec square x. How you are going to find out the derivatives of e raised to ax? E raised to ax is nothing but equal to a into e raised to ax. Next is, if you need to calculate derivatives of a raised to x, which is given by the formula a raised to x into log a. Next formula is how you are going to calculate the derivatives of the function is given as the log function. The log function derivatives is always equal to 1 by x. And the last important formula is what? If you need to calculate derivatives of log to the base ax, which is given by 1 upon x log a. So total you have to remember 14 standard formulas related to derivatives. Now to understand this formula, let's begin with the first problem, how we are going to apply that particular formula in the question. Okay, so what is given? Y is equal to x square plus cos x plus e raised to 3x. Now first you have to identify whether the given function is an individual function or not. How you are going to identify? Now if you observe carefully, x square is a one function. It is a one function, that is, it is an individual function. But if I am talking about x square into cos x or cos 2x, so in that particular function there will be two different functions. Am I right? So what you have to do? First you have to identify whether the given function is individual function or not. If it is individual function, you can easily substitute, you can easily apply standard results related to derivatives. So as you observe carefully, if you observe carefully, which formula you are going to apply to find out the derivatives of x square? This is related to what? X raised to n. So derivatives of x raised to n is nothing but equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So how you are going to write down this? What is the question? Differentiate the following with respect to x. So we have to differentiate this function with respect to x. So first you need to write down derivatives of this particular function. You need to separate out the term. So derivatives of cos x plus derivatives of e raised to 3x. As I said, what is the derivatives of x raised to n? In this case, n is equal to 2. So x raised to n is nothing but equal to 2 into x raised to n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So derivatives of x square is equal to 2x. I hope you have understood the first derivatives of the first term. Okay, what is the derivatives of cos x? Derivatives of cos x is minus sin x plus what is the derivatives of e raised to 3x? As per this formula, derivatives of e raised to ax, which is nothing but equal to a into e raised to ax. So here you will be getting 3 into e raised to 3x. So what is your answer? The answer is 2x minus sin x plus 3 into e raised to 3x. I hope you have understood problem number 1 or example number 1. Coming to the example number 2. Now you need to solve this particular example. How you are going to find out the derivatives of y with respect to dx? First you need to separate out each and every term, that is derivatives of cos x plus derivatives of phi minus derivatives of log x. Am I right? So as you know that what is the derivatives of cot x given? The derivatives of cot x is minus cosec square x. What is the derivatives of phi, as phi is a constant term? Can you just tell me the derivatives of phi? Come on, you need to recollect the formulas from the previous video. The derivatives of the constant term is equal to 0. Minus what is the derivatives of log x? The derivatives of log x is 1 upon x. So the final answer is minus cosec square x minus 1 upon x. I hope you have understood how to apply standard result to get the derivatives of the following function with respect to x. I hope you have understood this, all the 8 formulas related to derivatives. See you in the next video. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.